Is your Chevy Equinox key fob not working? The most common fix is a simple battery replacement. For 2010 to 2017 models, you'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. First, gather your tools. A small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the case, and the new CR2032 battery. Locate the small seam on the side of the fob near the keyring hole. Gently insert the screwdriver into the seam and twist to release the metal clip. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic can crack. Remove the old battery, noting the polarity positive side up. Insert the new battery in the correct orientation and snap the case back together. Ensure the rubber gasket is intact for water resistance. Test the remote by standing 10 to 15 feet from your Equinox and pressing the lock button. If it works, you're done. If not, proceed to the next section. If your remote still isn't working after replacing the battery, start by checking if the case is sealed properly. A poor seal can allow water in, causing corrosion on the contacts. Clean the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol and make sure the battery sits flat in its holder without any gaps. Check for bent contacts or damage to the circuit board that might have occurred during disassembly. Try resyncing the fob by inserting your key into the ignition, turning it to the on position, and pressing the lock button on the fob 3 times. As a last resort, the fob may need reprogramming at a dealership, which typically costs between $50 and $100. Consider that aftermarket fobs from sites like Amazon or eBay may have compatibility issues or fail quickly. For best results, use a high-quality battery and handle the fob carefully during disassembly and reassembly.